We'll guide you through how to fix DaVinci Resolve if it keeps crashing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolves, then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Memory and GPU section. Here, make sure that the GPU processing mode is set to Udo to allow DaVinci Resolve to automatically select the best option for your system. If you have multiple GPUs, ensure that the correct one is selected in the GPU selection section. Next, go to the User tab, and under the Playback settings, you can lower the timeline proxy resolution and optimized media resolution to a lower setting, which can significantly reduce the demand on your system and help prevent crashes. Now, head over to the project settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom right of the screen. In the Master Settings, scroll down to the Optimized Media and Render Cache section. Here, set the optimized media format and render cache format to a less demanding codec like DNx-HRSQ or ProRes 422, depending on your operating system, as these are typically more stable and require less processing power. Once you have made these adjustments, restart DaVinci Resolve to ensure all changes take effect. If Resolve continues to crash, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause instability. You can check for updates on the website of your GPU manufacturer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.